Hey, welcome. This is Pikachev. In this video, we are going to talk about Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin has been making some huge momentum recently, and this is amazing news because it's about to hit that ceiling of its all-time high, but it's also establishing a very strong base above 60,000, which means once it blows past that, it can be going to 70, 80,000, and even 100,000 here very soon. So real exciting news. Hey, listen, if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss another video or update again. Every day we share with people how they can understand the cryptocurrency market, blockchain technology, and other great ways to build wealth assets for themselves and invest into themselves the right way. So with that said, let's dive into it. So here on CoinMarketCap, right, Bitcoin, as you can see, it's coming very close to its all-time high, which was right around $63,500, right? And so if we just even go back past 3 months, it's climbing strongly right here at, it reached the heights, it reached the heights of 62-ish, right? So it's not far. And the beauty of it is in the past, let's say 7 days, past few days, right? It's been doing a great job staying above the $60,000 mark. It made a little dip here past just below 59,000 and bounced right back up. So it's establishing a strong base here around this above the $60,000 mark. If we kind of look right here, 61,000, 60,000, right? Is kind of where its base is. There's going to be resistance at its all-time high, right? 63,000. Once it goes to 64, 65, it can blow past it and just go to really, really extreme heights. Remember, Bitcoin is just getting started. It's going to go to $100,000 potentially this year, I believe. But this week alone, we might experience new all-time highs. So really exciting. Not to mention the SEC approves Bitcoin future EFTs, opening crypto to a wider investor base. So big new things happening in the Bitcoin world, and this price is just getting started, I believe. So pretty exciting news, right? Listen, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing, right? What I'm researching, what I'm seeing out there. And I see Bitcoin going to $100,000 this year. May I be wrong? Yes, but it's very, very doable with what it's able to accomplish with this really strong bull run that we're still in the midst of. Bitcoin can blow past $100,000 just this year. Some investors are saying even more, like 200, 400,000. I think, unlikely, not with this bull run, because, if it zooms to 100,000, it has to recover. We have to give it some time to, adjust before it sails to new all-time highs, which is coming up in the coming years. I think Bitcoin can go to $1 million in the coming decade or so. So with that said, listen, 100,000 is just its next milestone, its next price target, and I think it's going to happen this year. And when that does, imagine how much market capitalization cryptocurrency will be worth, because when Bitcoin jumps, a lot of cryptocurrency market follows, right? So really exciting. We're going to see some new exciting things here in the crypto market here in the last quarter of 2021. So stay tuned. Be sure to subscribe. Also, I have a whole playlist in my description where you can buy Bitcoin, different cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets, right, and tutorials on that. And I also have a great source where we share how you can duplicate your cryptocurrency and earn profits with DeFi. Definitely check that out as well. And let me know in the comments if this was helpful. Let me know if you hold any Bitcoin. I'm actually happy that I bought some Bitcoin when it was around $30,000-ish, right? But remember, even if you're buying now, hold on to it, ride this next wave up, and you can consider potentially taking some profits when it hits the $100,000 mark, because it is due for a recovery after that. So unless you're holding for the very, very long term like I am and just waiting until it goes to $1 million, then just hold and just enjoy this roller coaster ride, because it's going to be fun. With that said, my friend, I'll see you in the next video.